Hi, this is Moresh, and today we'll discuss quickly how does the CashBox work in conjunction to our crowd sale. So, as we have previously explained, CashBox is really a permissionless tool which can be set up by anyone, and it can act as a perpetual counterparty for any asset. So you can just set up a CashBox, and on one side you can have Tether, and on side you have Open, and it can be any tokens, but for our purposes, on one side it's a stable coin, on the other side it's Open token. You can set up the price point, how much Tether per Open token, and then you can just say, okay, I am going to deposit into this, and anybody who has Open tokens can swap their Open tokens at the price point which has been set up for that cash box. So we have set up a few different cash boxes which start from 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.81. And as the market progresses upwards, we will have 1.2, 1.4, etc., etc. Now, how this is going to work is, and we are supporting 3 stable coins at present, which means that there are 3. One is for USDT, one is for USDC, and third is for DAI. And they have market cap, which means that only 10,000 can be 10,000 is the market cap for the 0.2 token, 20,000 is for 0.4, and it's 40, 60, 80. So it's all into 3 really, because we have 3 stable coins. So what we are going to do is we are going to ask people who believe in the project to start depositing in this cash boxes at the price points which they think is appropriate. And when you deposit in the cash box, you get something called as pool tokens, which represent your ownership of the cash box. You can then redeem these pool tokens back in the cash box and get your Open token from the cash box. But when you have the pool token, it's essentially open by order. Okay, and I mean the word open in the literal sense, just like centralized exchange, it's an open order. Now, what you can do is you can take your evidence of this order, which is the pool token, and you can stake it with us. And when you have staked, you get to earn more Open. So if you're a long-term believer in the project, you can stake your Open orders and earn more Open. So that's our mechanism by which we are incentivizing people who stake Open in the Open cash boxes at various different price points. And obviously, the higher price point you stake, the greater your Open rewards. So that is our mechanism which we want to exert upward pressure on the price. Now, technically, the token can also get listed on Uniswap or any other DEX or even a centralized exchange. And let's say our target is $1. It can obviously be, our target is much higher. But let's say for an abstract example, it's $1. Now, let's say market forces mean that the prices come down below $1. Now, if there is enough money in the $1 cash box, people deposited over here, then anyone can go buy it on the centralized exchange at a lower price, and then they can simply go here to the cash box and sell it at a higher price and profit. So it gives an arbitrage opportunity, and it's a completely permissionless thing, so that anybody who is smart enough can see that there's an arbitrage opportunity and make a profit and bring the price to where we would like. There are other levers we are going to pull as well to support Open tokens price as well as utility on going forward. A couple of them are you will be able to borrow against it. So you will be able to stake Open tokens and borrow DAI on the OPM. Second thing is you can stake Open tokens and also earn DAI. What this means is You can go on the OPM and you can borrow DAI up to what are the collateral factor which we think is appropriate. But separate to that, what we're going to do is we're going to start come up with a mechanism by which the community can vote on revenue sharing, and assuming the community votes for it, people will be able to stake open tokens and own DAI. So this is really, in this model, you're paying interest. In this model, you are getting divs. So a lot more is to come. And I'm excited to share this journey with you. Thanks. Bye.